Okay, here we are at Schumacher Place on East Beck Street. We're just a walking distance to the heart of German Village, where we have Schmitz's Sausage House and Schiller Park, and we also have Planks on Parsons. These are local fan favorites. So as you can see in this beautiful neighborhood, while it's not in the heart of German Village, it still has the old world charm of German Village with its cobblestone streets and its tree-lined streets. It's just beautiful and peaceful and serene here in Schumacher Place. This beautiful duplex, which has a 2-bedroom on one side and a 3-bedroom on the other side, is great for investors. It also would be great for owner-occupied. Let's check out 511 first. Oh, hi, you guys are done with 511? Let's go over to 509. Thanks for coming by 509 511 East Beck Street. Please check out our 3D virtual tour on our website and give me a call if you want to see this property in person.